Hey you guys, it's the Goddess Complex. Happy quarantine to you and yours. And we have a little bit of an unboxing from the good people at Influenster. I've been with Influenster for the last couple of years doing reviews and several different unboxings, especially back in my super blogger days. But we have a good unboxing here from the people at Influenster, and guess what? It's the NYX. It's the NYX box. It is the NYX. It's going to be the NYX professional makeup. I love NYX. I've been wearing NYX ever since it was in the beauty supply stores, and before it just like took off and became this big go-to brand. It was like in the beauty supply stores. I used to wear this like in middle school and high school. So I've been rocking with NYX for a long time, and this is for their what? Eyebrow beauty line. Okay, we're going to unbox it and see what in. It's the Dip Shape and Go Longwear Pomade. And we're going to go ahead and unbox it. And like I said, I'm going to review the product. And we were actually just talking about this in the live stream reading over on Instagram. So if you're not watching this on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Goddess_Complex 777. That's 3 sevens, Goddess_Complex 777. And ooh, yas, baby, yas. I actually needed one of these. I actually needed one of these, and I predicted it. I said I'm going to get my box within these 2 days, and it actually came today. So I got it right. Yeah. So the energy is 100 right now. So yeah. So this is their Dip Shape and Go. It's the brow care line. Shape high impact brows, just dip, shape and go. Longwear pomade, no tools needed. As you can see by the picture, it comes with the brush and the little sparsely spoolie brush. And also this little piece right here with the Dip Brow pomade in it. Okay, so as you can see, the lady in the picture, the young lady, the model in the picture, her brows are nice and full. Like I said, my eyebrows, I like mine. They're naturally thin. I try to grow them in and thick and then kind of shape them that way as they go in. They're kind of growing a little thicker. And like I said, normally I've been getting them waxed. So there is a difference in them, and they've been growing actually a little bit faster. So, you know, it's quarantine beauty time. We actually talked about this in the live reading about the Empress card, the Divine Feminine Energy, and also, you know, stepping into like put on a little lipstick, do your eyebrows, do your hair how you like it. Like literally, I'm gonna walk and put some heels on tomorrow, and I'm walking to the mailbox. You know what I'm saying? Like, do your nails and just kind of beautifying yourself. Like I said, I gave myself a facial. Like, do little stuff. Do your nails, do your manicure, mani-pedis and stuff like that. Like I said, wear a little makeup, you know. And so this came right on time. So this is gonna be their Dip Shape Go Longwear Brow Pomade, and it is in the color Espresso, which is perfect. I don't like my brows super dark, but at the same time, I don't like anything that's going to look ashy because I'm a black woman. You know, certain things kind of just don't go right with my skin, even though, you know what I'm saying, I have hyperpigmentation and different stuff like that. It's just certain colors, certain shades just doesn't work with certain things. But this should be perfect, so I'm looking forward to trying it out. And this is just the stuffing. So it comes in a little small box. And I love Influencer's little boxes, so I may actually refurbish this little box for something nice and neat. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So it comes with the angled brush. It comes with the spoolie brush. And let's take a look at it. Okay, normally I have this off before, but like I said, I want to do an unboxing. So it comes in a little small tube. I love I've always loved NYX packaging, so I love the packaging. This is what it looks like. Okay, so you have different areas. Okay, so we have the spoolie brush. And it goes in a little compartment like that. And you twist compartment. And also we have the brush as well to help angle it in. Also, like, you can use this for concealer and different things like that as well. Okay, and this end is the, wait a second now. Okay, there we go. I almost lost it. So this is the Dip Brow. Yes, this is the pomade. So you get a nice little small amount of pomade. You only need a little bit, especially if you like your eyebrows a little thinner like mine's. You just need a little bit, especially if you're going to like conceal and stuff like that. You just need a little bit, or just brush and go. So we are going to try this out this week. So I am actually quite happy. So thank you to NYX, and thank you to the good people at Influencer. So I can't wait to review this. And like I said, I wanted us to have a scent. Like I said, I love NYX. I love the packaging. It's just something fly about their line. Like, Okay. No heavy scent. It smells like makeup without smelling like makeup. That kind of synthetic smell. So I am digging that. So, you know, certain smells with cosmetics just drives me nuts. I can rock with this. This is good. So it's like nice and compact. This can fit in your pocket. Definitely fit in any shape of purse, your clutch purses, anything at this time. So you're gonna try this out. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. We should try it out right now. Why not? Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna take the spoolie part, and let's see. I'm gonna take the spoolie part, and I'm gonna light. Ooh, it's like really creamy. It's really creamy. Let me focus. It's really creamy. It's really smooth. I probably put too much on there, but let's see. And yeah, I think you're supposed to take it and brush it up first. And you see how it's already filling it in? And normally I like to stand in the mirror and do this. So if it's a little off, you know, have to excuse me, honey. All right, NYX. And like I said, my eyebrows are naturally thin. And look at that. All right, NYX. I like it. Ooh, I did put too much, so that's my own fault. So they are a little darker than I like. Yeah, it's a little darker than I like. Let me switch eyebrows. Let me see. I like. Look how it's fuller already. Look at that. And my eyebrows are cousins, so you know they're more like best friends. They're definitely not twins. They're not cousins. They're like play cousins. You know, that's the best friend that's like family to you. That's what they are right now. And this is the problem eyebrow. This is the problem child. Yes, I'm not at a mirror, so yeah, I'm kind of messing up this eyebrow. Like I said, this is the problem eyebrow. It gives me the worst time ever. And I don't like mine. I'm not an eyebrow girl. Long as they're arched or waxed, it'll work for me. Other than that, you know. And you're supposed to use the other thing, but I'm just going to do a quick demo. And then we're going to come back and try it again. And so we're just playing around with it. So I'm going to come back and we're going to do another video. And I'm going to try to inquire it into my actual routine. Like I said, I normally wear makeup when it's warmer than when it's colder outside. So look at that. Look at that. It filled it in. Oh my God, yes. All right, NYX. And I love the color. I love the color. It's still natural against my skin tone. I like it. It's not too much and it looks like natural. Look at that. Go on, NYX. I like it. And I'm not even an eyebrow girl. I like natural eyebrows. I like it. So yeah, I'm going to touch it up just a little bit. Like I said, I put too much on there. But other than that, go on, NYX. I like it. So thank you, Influenster, and also NYX Cosmetics. Thank you so much. So I'm going to keep reviewing this, and I will be back to give a final review on it. So stay tuned. So I'm going to inquire it in my regimen. But it looks really good. And I was kind of half doing it. Also, we're going to test out the longevity of it as well. And look, I have eyebrows. Now, if NYX can just send me something for these lashes and hyperpigmentation, because I do have their orange color corrector that I really, really love. And then I have a couple, their setting sprays and different stuff like that, setting powders. All right, NYX, now if I can get something for these lashes, I think we'll be in business. Especially for a natural beauty routine. So this has been the Goddess Complex. This is a mini unboxing and review. Make sure you stay tuned and follow me on YouTube and Instagram, especially IGTV, for the upcoming review of the NYX Dip. What is this? Dip, Shape, and Go. Y'all see what it did to me now. I ain't had no eyebrows now. It's beautiful. So thank you, NYX Cosmetics, and also Influenster. And you can check out my review under Influenster.com or download the Influenster app. to check out my final review of this product, and also over on Ulta.com as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time.